Hey guys, today I'm gonna explain Excel project. So here we can select options like any margin if you want. Okay, it's region any North America and dimensions if you want to see like if you want to see only PC1. You can see PC1. This is an Excel report of customer net sales performance. This is P&L report, profit and loss percentage. If you want to see any particular market, right? Like suppose if you want to see only the Indian market, how profit and loss is reported, you can see this is the 2019 net sales. This is 2020 net sales. This is 2021 or in millions. And 21-22, this is a percentage, and this we have this gross margin metrics and COGS, cost of goods service, and P&L performance, profit and loss per year. If you want to see per month wise, you can see per month wise. This is 2019 filter details. If you want to see the 2021, let's see 2021. You have to click here, then only you can see. Yeah, I think it is 2019 and it's 2020 and it is 2021. This is for P&L report of by month. Okay. Net sales comparison 2021 and 2020. 61%. Okay. And 62% in October. Okay, this is gross margin percentage per quarter wise. These are our top 5 products and these are our bottom 5 products. These are top 5 countries and these are bottom 5 countries. Thank you guys. Bye.